سلام علیکم برادران. ویدیو امروزه ما در منهتن سوشال اکسپریمنت. ما مردی بومژ میشم. خیلی که توجیکی قد میگم ما بومژ میشم. این ای کراسافچکی مو ای منهتن. کریستو. گرچه ویدیو در یوتیوبش پادپیسات کنین، ویدیو ما را دستگیری کنین، ریاکسیون آدما رو میبینیم، بمب میشه. زنده باشین. I think I just needed some air or something, man. Yeah, I appreciate that, man. I have no insurance.
No insurance?
No,
I don't think it matters if you need to go to the hospital.
I don't know. No, I live outside. It's okay. It's just. Thank you so much. Yo, fuck, pretend to be a homeless. Nobody gonna help you in New York City. Fuck New York City. I swear, I'll be filming the video right there. And thank you so much. This is a bunch of this fuck right here. Nobody gonna help you. I'm a good guy, just social experiment. You the best. Say hi to the camera. We have a camera right there and we have a camera right there. You are the best. You see, we're doing a social experiment. This is my body right there. A bunch of people, train stop, people coming out, nobody helping. That's crazy, right? Take care. Huh? What? Huh?
You're doing an experiment?
Yeah, that's an experiment. That's don't throw it, okay? That's a clean. Yeah, don't throw it your bar. I'm not homeless, everything is fine. You filming the video. Yo, come here. Yo, how was the video? Say something at the end. Come. Yo, you're the best. You see, in New York City, we're doing a social experiment. Bunch of the people came out. I pretend to be a homeless guy. Nobody help us. And this guy get help, like 2-3 people, because he looks good. And I look fucked up, and nobody come to me. So you make sure like your video, thumbs up, comment, and subscribe, and wait for another video, right?
Yes, sir. If you watch Cristo, you already know, check it out.
Like this.
It's like Sosa.
Sasa.
Yes, sir.
Ay, ay, ay.